Horses out, we have Moana Belay, pass to the gain, moving up on the outside is Ampure. Born to be Queen is racing in third, then followed over by Yes Commander. And on the outside, moving up the Resi Cat, Misbehave, and Waitara Express is the early trailer. We have Moana Belay by Abralenka and Hapa. Ampure in second, moving up by the to take there is Misbehave. Born to be Queen is racing in fourth, and on the outside, Yes Commander, the Resi Cat, and Waitara Express. That's still Moana Belay by Abralenka, Misbehave. Ampure is on the outside, moving up, racing in fourth position. Yes Commander, Born to be Queen, Resi Cat, and Waitara Express. Moana Belay moving up, Ampure now on the outside. Misbehave is racing in third. Yes Commander in fourth, Born to be Queen. Moana Belay moving up, Ampure is on the outside. Born to be Queen, Yes Commander. Ampure now takes the lead by Abralenka and Hapa. And in second is Moana Belay moving up, Yes Commander. Born to be Queen in between horses. Ampure this time by about 2.5 lengths. Born to be Queen now in second. Yes Commander in third, and followed by Moana Belay. But it's still Ampure by about 2 lengths. And in second on the outside is Born to be Queen. Ampure followed by Born to be Queen on the outside. Ampure, Born to be Queen is on the outside, but it's still Ampure second, Born to be Queen. Then comes Yes Commander, Waitara Express, Moana Belay, Misbehave, and the Resi Cat.